So it looks like Gillian's got the whole parish to convert, but one disciple at a time. Father Brian's day of reckoning has arrived first.
I've been now to do a bit of preaching, and I'm taking over now. It's going to take a lot more than divine intervention to do.
Gillian's been scrupulous with everything that's passed the pastor's lips in the last 7 days. It's for village faith work.
His little tongue is like trying to taste you. It's pretty funny looking.
Parishioners' homemade marmalade, 6 chicken wings with barbecue sauce, 1 large pepperoni pizza with extra anchovies, 1 large turkey roast with prawns, 2 fish and chips with mushy peas, 1 steamed treacle sponge with custard, 1 full shepherd's pie, 1 mega Thai restaurant banquet, 1 tandoori chicken takeaway with white rice, 1 homemade scone with margarine, pie